It's dying! Go, somebody get a doctor! Somebody get a doctor! Okay, I think that's enough.
What
We could
is
probably.
happening to the window?
Okay,
Oh my God.
let's probably not do that next time.
Now let's do it again, Oscar.
All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna down the move factor a bit.
No. Oh, that's just underwhelming.
No,
Oh.
maybe
Maybe make it maximum drag and maximum.
Oh yeah, this is kind of
factor.
good. This is kind of good.
Maximum drag, maximum move factor, but minimum stiffness.
So 42, 85, 7. We're gonna type this in Discord so I don't forget it.
I'm now a clipboard. I'm now your clipboard.
And
just set your stiffness. Oh no.
yeah, it's better. It's better now.
Stiffness to 0. Set stiff. It's so much better. Set stiffness to 0.
We are now going to set stiffness to 0.
It's gonna make it really normal.
Oh,
that's just underwhelming.
it's true. That is so. But at least we
really
can.
Underwhelming. At least we can. Oh.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Trippy as frick. It's going onto the
40.
other monitor.
Let's bring back our old settings.
No, we need to make it good again.
Oh yeah, you want to see something really cool? Alright, watch. Doom, burn my windows. Yeah, burn my windows is a pretty cool thing. It's like for, it's a thing for, GNU, but it's kind of good. I want to show you this. Right? Okay, so we're going to minimize this window. Watch what happens when I close this. This is gonna, if you have played Doom before, you know what happens when you start a new game.
I haven't played that much Doom, unfortunately.
No, remember the time we got GZ Doom? You know how when you started the new game, it melted? Well, guess what?
Yeah.
Someone decided to make that a gnome.
An KDE effect?
Oh wait, yeah,
You have destroy windows apart on.
Yeah, fall apart. Disable fall apart.
And now you can close system settings or something, I guess. Oh, that's cool.
I don't really like it though, cause I kind of like it. I might keep it.
Make it faster.
Wait.
Make the animation time like
20.
slower so it's fast.
Yeah, that kind of looks good. Pixel size maybe 3. No, I like 1. Vertical scale 150.
So that's looking better.
Yeah, that kind of. Oh yeah, did I show you Cube? Did you see Cube?
Oh yes, desktop. I saw desktop cubes.
Can you see this?
That looks really cool. That looks really cool.
All right, watch what.
You can do it on both monitors. Holy crap!
Yeah, it's on both monitors. My OBS is still recording. And it's watching the cube spin.
Does this support more than 6 workspaces?
Yes.
How does it work? Does it become 4-dimensional?
No, it's not like that. It only makes it on the horizontal thing, so it doesn't go up. Skybox.
Oh, set it to goofy image or something. No. Set it to the screenshot. You know the screenshot.
Oh, it didn't work. It's not working. It's not working. Wait.
It's black.
Wait.
Set it to the skybox.
Oh, cube face displacement does not make it good. Oh yeah, now it's seamlessly aligned. It's seamlessly aligned, like it's an actual cube. Oh, yeah, that looks cool. Oh, it almost lines up perfectly. Look, watch. I'm gonna line it up perfectly.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's make it bigger.
Hold on, set the skybox to set the skybox to Set the skybox to the image. You know the one.
It kind of lags out when you have a skybox. Like as you can see, there's no skybox because I set after setup. But let's just
black image. You said just like a black image. What if you set it to pure white?
Then you're gonna become blind.
Oh no. Oh my eyes!
It's the void! It's the void! My desktop exists in the void!
Yeah, just like a random computer in the middle of the void.
A random set of 4 computers. I don't like black. I really kind of like... Oh, red.
Set to blood red. It's inside of your immune system.
Oh no! Alright, but I really like pure white because it looks... It's freaking... No.
Computers in the fucking void. Just set it to, like, maximum distance. And then, like, that one part of Young Girl A starts playing.
You can rotate it with your arrow keys, which I find kind of cool.
And you do it with
you can zoom. No, you can't watch it, but you can zoom in with scroll wheel.
You're zooming in really slow.
Can I go inside the cube? I can go inside of the cube.
Oscar, wait. Can you go to the other side? Hold on, rotate your camera back.
Let's just wait. Let's just. It's taking an awfully long time to.
Orange.txt. Okay, can we continue working on the thing?
Not until we see if we can. Not until we can see that if we can invert. If we can go inside of it, and then pop out on the other side and.
Hey yo.
Okay, now we're far enough in that it looks like it's a first-person game.
It's a first-person video game.
Oh, aw. I accidentally clicked.
Did you just do that after a while? Oh. Hold on. Set the distance to minimum. Like, just set the distance to 0. Now go into the cube. Now just zoom in as far as you can into the screen, but don't go inside.
You see? args.txt. It's like the entire... Oh, we're zooming in!
Arson!
We're zooming in on arson. Oh, we zoomed down on what?
No, we're on the side of what now? I think now, according to my trajectory calculations, we are probably inside of arson, and now we're probably inside of fix.
We are soon going to enter Discord or Visual Studio Code. Oh, it's getting slower. Is it?
You can zoom in anymore. No, it's way slower.
Yeah, I think we're inside the cube. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like.
Wait. I wish you could interact with your desktop inside the cube.
Imagine that. Oh. Yeah, but if you go inside the cube, then that happens.
Anyway, continue with the thing, continue.
Alright, sick.
Continue with args.txt. I'm gonna stop recording now.
Yeah,